Welcome back, second graders. Here we are again at Number Corner with Mrs. Judd. We are in the month of December. We are on Monday, so we'll have to catch up from the weekend. Then we're going to talk about our second survey, and that's all we have to do today. Okay, we are in the month of December. I know that today is Monday, so let's go and turn over the cards up until Monday. What do we have this month? Shapes. Good job. Okay, so we haven't seen a pattern yet. Let's see what our Saturday is going to be. A scaling triangle. Okay. There's my square. Go crazy. I'm glad I kind of showed some of you what our classroom looks like and where I video, so you know that things are right over here in the corner. Okay. I'm still not seeing any patterns yet, but let's see what our Monday looks like. A regular pentagon. Okay, so we've had triangle, rectangle, circle, rhombus, triangle, square, pentagon. Still not seeing a pattern, but definitely shapes, all kinds of shapes. Let's write the date, and then we're going to fill in our chart, and then we're going to talk about today's survey. Okay, we learned that we can write December as an abbreviation. December 7th, 2020. Or we can write it as numbers. 12, 7, 20. Okay. Let's fill in our charts. I'm going to turn my chart around. What did I do with my marker? Thank you. Okay. So the last one was the 4th, so we need to do the 5th. How many sides? 1, 2, 3. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3. Scaling. And the abbreviation for triangle is TRI. So we're only going to do triangle, TRI, square. How many sides does a square have? 4. Good job. How many vertices? 4. Good job. Okay. This one's a little trickier, but let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. What do you guys predict Wednesday's gonna be? I don't know. I do see a tiny bit of a pattern that you guys see. I'm sure you see also. Do you see a pattern on the background? Good. Blue, orange, blue, orange, blue, orange, blue. And if the background is blue, the shape is an orange. That was a great observation. Oh my goodness, I didn't write regular pentagon. Regular pentagon. Okay, so the last thing that we have to do today is talk about our second survey. Our second survey was the book survey. So again, I asked you if I was going to read you guys some books and these 4 books were sitting on the counter, which one would you pick? So here is the ones you guys would pick. Our choices were Sharks, Dinosaur, and Frozen. Puppy Place kind of evolved. It started as one that we got from Destiny that was called Frog in a Log. Then it moved into some chapter books that some of the kids weren't reading. But as soon as Puppy Place came up, look at how many people liked that book. So that was the book that got the most. So with this survey, and the survey before I had told you guys that we would answer some questions. So we're really going to do it a lot with the book survey. It does pertain to the color survey, but we're going to use the book survey information to fill in our questions. So, how many students participated in the book survey? I'm going to switch here in a second, but if you go from the bottom, these are numbered, so 10, 14, 5, and 3. Okay, you guys help me count this. 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. 30, 31, 32. 32 students participated. What is the difference between the number of students that voted for the most and the least popular book? So which one was the most? Right, Puppy Place got the most votes, so that was 14 students voted for that. And which one got the least? Oh, Frozen. So 3 students voted for that. So what is the difference? 11. Good job. I heard a ton of you shout out. 11. And so if we looked at this, we started at 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It worked. We confirmed it. Okay? How many students voted for the second most popular book than the least? So that one gets a little trickier. Which one is the second most popular? We know that Puppy Place was the most popular. I think Sharks. You're right. So Sharks had 10. And again, Frozen had 3. So what is 10 minus 3? Good job, you guys. 7. Okay. How many fewer students voted for the third most popular book than for the most popular book? So which one is the third most popular? Kind of shows us this with a step. So this was the second most popular. This is the third. So 5. I have to grab my. So 5 people minus those 3 Frozen students again. So just 2 fewer students. So there's all these different bits of information that you can get from your surveys. The last thing a survey needs, what is this survey about? I should get one for this one too. So before the next survey, I'm going to put color across the top. But what was our survey about? It was about books. So our survey and our title is, I'll put it here. You guys read it better there. Is book survey. Good job, you guys. Okay, what was our shape today? Our shape was a regular pentagon. You can just say pentagon. And what was our class collection today? Books. We had a survey on books. Okay, second graders, great job. Thank you for hanging out with me. And I will see you next Monday. Bye-bye.